Okay, this problem is slightly tricky while using shortcuts, so we'll go ahead with this problem. First step is that you solve it and get the z value on the solution. So on solving it, I have first is minus 4x plus 3y less than equal to 6. So if I take this sign, I'll get y is equal to 6 minus 4 plus 4x by 3. Applying it over here, I'll get 3x plus 2 times 6 plus 4x by 3 is equal to 18. Multiplying it throughout by 3, I'll be getting 9x plus 2 times 6 plus 4x equal to 18 cross 3 is 54. So expanding it again, 9x plus 12 plus 8x is equal to 54. Solving this, I would get x is equal to 42 by 17. Applying this in the the second equation over here, that is 3x, x is 42 by 17 plus 2y equal to 18. I would get y is equal to 90 by 17. Now I can apply this and find the z value. Over here, z value is going to be 492 by 17, which is fairly. Now we'll go ahead with the table. The table will contain z, which is the profit or the maximizing value, x first variable, y second variable, 1 which denotes the first equation, 2 which denotes the second equation, crossing it off. So z over here is 492 by 17. I have to write the decimal value, hence because I will be using rounding off, so I am going to be using 29.8. Again, this is the maximum value above which my solution can never go, and I can only by rounding off or by changing it into an integer, I can only bring my maximum value below 28.9. I can't increment it above it. So my x I got is 42 by 17, which in decimal is 2.47, and my y value is 90 by 17, which in decimal is 5.29. Now if you observe, both the decimals are below 0.5, and if I add them, I'm not getting 1, so I can't increase any value. And one more thing is that both values I got was by solving 1 and 2, so they will find that solve in both 1 and 2. So this is my original solution. I'm marking it off and I'm going for the next one. So since these are both are fractions, I'm going to go with rounding off, and I can't as I said earlier, I can't increase them, so I'm going to go for both decrease. Both decreases are going to be 2 and 5, which in a decimal I will get 27, which is 25 plus 2. And over here I have to see if they solve the first equation and the second equation. So 2 in order that minus 4 into 2 plus 3 into 5 if it's less than 6. Over here I'll get minus 8, and over here I'll get 15, which is 7, which is not less than 6, so it doesn't satisfy the first one. And the second one, I'm going to get it as 6 plus 10 is 16 is less than 10. Since it doesn't satisfy the first one, this is not my ideal solution. I will be moving on to the next one. Okay, I'm gonna now I can do one thing. I know one of it is right, either this or this value is correct, because it satisfied 1. So next step I'm gonna either do this and this. That is, I'm going to remain this value is same and decrease only the x value. Over here I'm going to remain x value is the same and decrease the y value. So if I do that, I'll get 1 over here and 5 over here, and over here it will be 2 the same and 4. So now we'll try the same thing over here. We'll substitute over there. I'll get 26 over here, and for this one I'll get 20 plus 2 is 22. Now back to solving in the first one. First one will be minus 4 plus 15. Minus 4 plus 15 is 11, which doesn't solve the first one. And 1 3s are 3, and this is 10. So 13 is less, so but still I get 1 wrong, so I can't use that either. going for the next one, I'm going to get 2 over here and 4 over there. So minus 8 plus 4 times this is 12. Minus 8 plus 12, I get 4. 4 is less than 6, so first condition is satisfied. Second one is 2 times of 3x is 6 plus 8, which is 6 plus 8 is I guess is 14. So that is also satisfied. So this is my integer result, and this is what I get as a solution for this sum. Thank you.